All right, we're short the pound yen. You can see the pound weakness and the yen strength. So we shorted it on a breakout. So stand by. All right, we're still short the pound yen. See the yen is a leader at 16 strength, and the weakness is we're trading the pound. So you can see it just moved a little bit. You can see we're getting towards a 4-hour low. Kind of at about the 50% mark of the previous day. We had some challenges on these highs here, and we're going to go back to a 5-minute chart. Let's go to 15. You can see we've broken the low, and it's kind of doing what we wanted it to do. You can see the 5-minute. On the 5-minute chart, we got in here, dropped down, and we rode it back up. This is one of the faster moving pairs, so you can see we went up about 20 pips negative. And right now we're hitting on some previous support, so we're looking okay. It's the Asian session, so we're not looking for anything a major move. You can see the yen across the board is gaining strength, so we'll see if we can get try to get about 5 more pips out of this, and we'll get out of here. So I moved this to about 20 pips profit. I'm going to bring my stop just below my break-even point, or above my break-even point, and we'll let this one play out. Now we're in a free trade, and why we got into this trade, we saw the yen gaining strength and the pound was the leader, and then we had a breakout which was below this low, and that's the reason we got in this trade. So we want to continue to monitor it and see if we can get our limit. Thanks. Looks like we're going to get it here. You know, one of the things you can do is, if you're getting close to your limit, instead of waiting for it and risking that it's not going to get you, you can always exit at market if you get impatient. But it's nice to stick to your plans. Teaches you discipline. Only need a few more pips. Let's go down to a 1-minute chart so we can see what we're looking like. One of the things you can do is, I've got these candle set on here. They are the Hikinachi candles, and they work on averages. So one of the things I do is sometimes, if we've had this nice rundown, you can move to a smaller time frame and tell yourself that we'll go ahead and stay in this. If we get a close and the candle turns white, then we could go ahead and that'll signal a automatic exit at market. So for example, if this closed on a white candle, then I may look at exiting, getting out of this at market. And we'll see if we can get one more push down. There we go. One more push. So that's gotten close enough. Let's go ahead and help it out. Alright, we're not going to be greedy. Close at market. Okay, so we took about 17 pips on that. Was able to get our stop to break even. And just to review why we got in that trade. So we kind of had a break below this low here, and then we had another low that broke, so we entered in this trade somewhere around this point. Dropped down, came back, and then curled over again. So we were really focused on the yen strength and the pound weakness. So we appreciate it, and we'll see.